good looking. Today I'm going to sit there and show you an easy peasy pasta salad, and it's called creamy ham and Kojak pasta salad. So let's go ahead and let's get started. I have on the stove hot water going so I can sit there and cook my rotini noodles al dente. So we're going to take these right over to the stove so we can get them going. So we're going to be needing some apple cider vinegar, some sugar, some Miracle Whip, some pepper, and some parsley. Now, I have a little bowl, or not a bowl, a mixing dish that I'm going to be mixing the dressing in 1 second. So we're just going to set that off to the side with the whisk. I'm going to sit there and talk about what we all have in this big long container. I have 3 stalks of cubed up celery. I have what would accumulate to 1 whole red pepper, but I have some red sweet pepper, orange pepper, and a sweet yellow pepper all cut up to equal 1 pepper. We have 1 cup of cubed up cooked ham. I have 1 diced up red onion, and that's right in here. And then of course we have our cubed up Kojak cheese. Now let's just sit there and take this and set it off over to the side, because we're gonna have to get mixing up our dressing that goes over the noodles. Now in our mixing dish here, we're gonna need 1 cup of Miracle Whip, or if you use Hellmann's, go ahead, use the Hellmann's. You're going to want 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Now we're going to need 1/4 cup of sugar. So let's go ahead and add 1/4 cup sugar. And then we are going to need 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. You're going to be needing 1/2 teaspoon of parsley. And now we're just going to give this all a good mix. I went ahead and mixed it all up. This is how yours should look. So I'm just going to set that off to the side and wait for our pasta to cook al dente. Okay, our noodles are almost al dente, so I'm going to bring over my bowl that we're going to sit here and mix everything all up in. Now, let's go ahead and take all our cubed up ingredients, and we're just going to sit there and add all this goodness to this bowl. Just going to quick give this a toss to mix everything all up. Now, I'm going to sit there and take some of the dressing that we already made up, and I'm going to put some right into this salad here. Now, let's give this all a good stir. So everything kind of gets all coated up in that nice creamy dressing we just made. And it also helps mix everything all up. And it allows the flavors all to have a big old party inside our bowl. This is what yours should look like. Now I'm gonna go drain off our noodles, and I'll be bringing our noodles over. Alright, let's bring our noodles over. And now I'm gonna sit there and give this all a quick little mix before we add a little bit of the dressing. And this will help kind of mix the salad up a little bit further. Now I'm going to sit there and add all of this dressing into the salad and mix it all up. And then I'm going to sit there and put this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes for an hour so the flavors all mingle. And then I'll show it to you when it's time to eat. Look at all that goodness. Now that's how easy it was to make one of the most excellent pasta salads you're gonna have this picnic season. Now, if you like what you saw here today, please go down below, hit the big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber to my channel, welcome. And if you're not yet a subscriber to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, tap that bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And most of all, I hope each and every one of you have a great day. Here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatins'. Y'all come back now, you hear? Now let's go ahead and give this a good old YouTube bite. Let's get a little bit of everything on there. Okay. Oh, we lost our celery. Okay. We have our cheese, we have the peppers, we have the celery, we have the onion, we have the ham, we have the al dente noodles, so there is definitely so many layers of flavor that it's one heck of a flavor bomb inside your mouth. For one, that smoked ham goes really good with the al dente noodles and that creamy dressing that we made, and then with the sweet peppers and the sweet onion and the celery, and we can't forget cheese. You mix that all up, and what do you have? You have heaven in your mouth. I really enjoy this recipe, and I think it's a great one for a picnic season, and I wanted to share it with each and every one of you.